Hi class, it's Mrs. Kiefer, and today our learning target is I can divide circles and rectangles into halves, thirds, and fourths. Here you will see two circles. We have one circle and two circles. We're trying to break the circle into two equal shares. These shares are called halves, and in order to do that, we have to cut it right down the middle. We cannot kind of do the sides like that. Do you see how they're not equal? When you cut shapes, they have to be cut into equal shares or equal parts. So this first circle is cut into equal shares, but the second circle is not. Now let's look over here at three equal shares. This rectangle is cut perfectly into three equal shares or three equal parts, and we call that thirds. This rectangle is cut into three pieces, but they're not equal, so they are not thirds. Now down below here, we have circles that are cut into four shares, and four shares, if they are equal, they're called fourths. So this circle here is cut perfectly into four equal parts. There are fourths. This circle is cut into four parts, but they are not equal. So these are not fourths. Over here, we have different ways to show equal parts. Now, you can break up your square into fourths this way equally, and they're the same. Diagonally they're the same. Just vertically, up and down, they're the same. And horizontally, they're the same. So each share is 1/4 or a fourth of the square. Now what your work will look like today is like this, where it says describe each equal share. Write a half of, a third of, or a fourth of. Now, if the pieces are cut equally into four parts, it'll be fourths. If the pieces are cut equally into three shares or three parts, it'll be a third. If it's cut into two parts, cut in half, we call it a half. So this piece right here is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal shares. So therefore, it is a fourth. Let me bring that down. Our circle here is cut into 1, 2, 3 equal parts. So it is a third. And last but not least, our square is cut into 2 equal parts, cut right in half. So we call it a half of. Now below, number 2, says divide each square into halves. Show 4 different ways. So just like I was talking about before, there's not one way to cut them so they're equal. You can do diagonal that way. You could do vertical, diagonal the opposite way, or horizontal.